Hi there, Robin here, and today we've got the 8-tier pot pan organizer right here, and it's so easy to use that I don't have to pre-assemble it for you on video. It does come flat packed. All these actual little rings are placed inside because it just basically pulls apart just like that. You end up with these kind of funky looking horseshoes kind of things with these little brackets on them, and they line up anywhere you want inside the actual main unit. So if we want to put a pot at the bottom, let's say like this large one, I can just slide that down here and I can easily pick and say I want to have a frying pan to be next. So why waste all the space? We're going to take our frying pan, we're going to place it on the next shelf, and we're going to say that's where this is going to go. But look at all this, that's wasteful. So we can go down a ring if we want to, and we can now place another pot on top of that if we choose. There's no right or wrong way to do this. That's the whole point. Now, of course, the other side, we've got choices as well. We can easily start off with a smaller pot at the bottom, work our way. Maybe we want another frying pan. We can do that too. And look, again, all this wasted space. Not to worry, we'll just lower the actual bracket down to line up properly. So now we have a good place to add something else. And customizable, that's the big word. Make it the way you want to have it, so this way it works just right for you. Now remember, you can have a big pot on top or you can have a big pot at the bottom. Nothing changes. You just set it up the way you think is best for you. And remember, you can set this up just laying down like we have here. Space it out accordingly to what kind of frying pan you have. And of course, you can place all your frying pans just like that inside the actual unit. This will hold any size frying pan at this point because it's fully adjustable and with lots of room left over to keep going. And there you go, the 8-tier pot and pan holder. 3 different ways to set it up. You're definitely going to find the right way for you. I hope this video helped you out today a bit in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. I'd like to say thanks for watching and bye for now.